Hi there, my name is Aria Curley, and I'm part of the Windows Servicing and Delivery team. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for October 2023. Today, we are going to show you how to take your copy and paste skills to the next level with the clipboard in Windows. Before we begin, let's review a few highlights from this month's update. This update introduces websites to the recommended section of the Start menu, so you can quickly access websites that are the most important to you. This update also ensures that search box tooltips appear in the correct position, and that the search button disappears when you interact with the search flyout box. It also supports Daylight Savings Time, DST, changes in Greenland. Now, if you've ever experienced a blank window with the title Windows Input Experience when your PC resumes after sleep, don't worry, because this update addresses that issue. Not only that, but if you have a USB printer and experienced an issue where Microsoft Defender stopped you from printing, we've fixed that too. And lastly, this update improves the experience when accessing Microsoft OneDrive files compressed by NTFS. Want to explore more from this update? See the Highlights and Improvements section of the Windows September 2023 preview and October 2023 security update articles. Now, on to this month's clipboard tips. The days of one-at-a-time, copy and paste are over. Today's clipboard experience offers shortcuts that save you time and effort. You are likely already familiar with using Ctrl+C to copy highlighted text or an image, and using Ctrl+V to paste what you just copied. But did you know you can quickly find and paste multiple items using clipboard history? Seriously, simply select the Windows logo key plus V to see a list of your recently copied items. Note, if you haven't used clipboard history before, you might need to turn it on first. If you have a favorite or something you frequently need to paste, you can give it a permanent home on your clipboard by selecting the pin icon. This keeps it from being removed from the clipboard history, even as new items are added. Pinned items even remain after a reboot. And if you ever want to delete an item from your clipboard, select the ellipsis icon located in the top right corner of the item's clipboard title. Then simply select the trash can icon to delete it. With Windows 11, we've made it easy to insert emojis, GIFs or GIFs, Comojis, and symbols directly from the clipboard, and access those you've used most recently. We've also made it easy to copy and paste from one PC to another. Select Start, Settings, System, Clipboard, then turn the toggle on for sync access across your devices. The sync feature is tied to your Microsoft account or your work account, so remember to use the same logon information on all of your devices. The clipboard settings page is also where you'll find the option to clear all clipboard data. Selecting Clear will delete all items, except those you've pinned on your current device. We hope these tips help you copy and paste like a pro. Are there Windows 11 features you'd like to know more about? Share your feedback through our release notes page, or leave a comment on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.